Walk a little slower, Daddy, said a little child so small. I am following in your footsteps. I don't want to fall. Glossary. Slower, not fast. मंद गतीने. Follow, come behind. अनुकरण करणे. Footsteps. Here, father's good deeds. वडिलांची चांगली कामे. Sometimes your steps are very fast. Sometimes they are hard to see. So walk a little slower, Daddy, for you are leading me. Glossary. Walk. Here, father's behavior. वडिलांची कामे, इतर चांगली शिकवण. Someday, when I'm all grown up, you are what I want to be. Then I will have a little child who will want to follow me. Glossary. Grown up, adult, proud. And I would want to lead just right and know that I was true. So walk a little slower, Daddy, for I must follow you.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें। ऐसे ही और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल होम रिवाइज को सब्सक्राइब करें।